Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be teaching you how to upload your resume/CV on Indeed using your iOS devices. So first off, you should have your Indeed in your iOS devices, or you can just log on to your Safari or your Chrome browsers as per usual. Just head into your Indeed using your iOS device, and right here I am looking for a type of job I want to apply to. So let's just say I want to press this. And right here, just press apply now and fill in the necessary details like adding your contacts such as your first name or last name and your email or your phone number. And then you have to continue, and here you can upload your resume right here. So here you can see that I already have prepared my own CV letter, and then let's just add it and press continue. And there you go. That's how you upload your resume/CV on Indeed using your iOS devices. Thank you for watching.